Only 3 people have had the privilege of owning this beautiful classic, and 2 of them are from the same family. Our 1964 Ford Zephyr has been in the same family for the last 60 years, and it is in a very original state. With just 100 of these classics left on the road, you won't get many opportunities to own one, particularly one as good as this. With its American-style looks, the red interior still has its protective plastic covering on, meaning it's in perfect condition. Head over to the Bridge Classic Cars Competitions website for all the information you need and to enter the draw. Good luck!